Hello dear friends, in the previous video I showed you how to do adding operation between C# form application and the database, and in this video I will show you how to do deleting operation. So I will need a button. The button text will be delete and the button's name will be btn delete. Okay, when I double click the delete button, I will go into a code section. In this section, I have to create a SQL connection, but in the previous video I created the SQL connection. So in this video I will use this one. I'm opening the connection and I should create a SQL command to delete. So SQL command cmd equals to new SQL command. There will be my command delete from employees where employee ID equals to, there will be DataGridView selected index. So DGW database selected rows 0 and cells 0 value to string. This will be my employee ID and I'm using my connection in the SQL command. Okay, our SQL command is ready and I should start my command. So cmd dot execute non-query, and after that dgw database dot rows dot remove it DGW database selected rows 0 index. Okay, our deleting operation is okay, but I should close my connection dot close, and I want to see the successful deleting. So mb the record has been deleted successfully. Okay, I want to see my project, and when I click the load button I will see my employees in DataGridView, and I want to add an employee last name, for example Jane, and the first name Mary, and the title sales manager. And when I click the add button, okay, our employees is added, but I should refresh my DataGridView. Yes, you see there is Mary Jane, and I want to delete this employee. So when I click the selected index and delete button, okay, the record has been deleted successfully. Okay, this is our deleting operation. In the next video I will show you how to do updating operation. Take care of yourself. See you later.